me?
The biker decided to turn around and talk to the driver. The conversation was surely not one that he had been expecting.
I understand that was an accident, but just be more careful.
I was itching out from over here, from over there to come over here. I looked, there was a car that went by. Nobody was coming this way, so I couldn't get in.
Proves you wrong, lady. I'm sorry, just be a little bit more careful, that's all. That's all I'm asking. I'm not trying to attack you, I'm just saying, be more careful and look. Believe that I'm attacking her? Are you kidding me? I'm attacking you, you stupid. Oh man.
As if the bikers already tired of such behavior from the drivers. One of the drivers decided to switch several lanes, being convinced that using the turn signal gives him the right of way.
No clue, half asleep. Yeah. Yeah, thanks.
The biker was very lucky that when he fell, the car was within a safe distance from him.
Nein! Warte, stopp! Moment! Ach, ey. Alles gut?
Ja? Alles gut, ja, merci.
Ach. Ja, komm, wir stehen dann auf.
Wollen wir weggehen von da schnell?
Ja, wir gehen schnell. Schieben wir schnell führen.
Nein, doch, ich fahre schnell runter.
Ja, ich schiebe noch schnell da hin. Okay, zeig mal. Ja. Ach.
Another clip in which excessive speed reveals the helplessness of the biker.
Wow! ¿Sabes? Oh! Ya wraca do domu. Maryśka soja. Nigdzie nią nie jadę. What?
No! Hands up, don't shoot, man. It's you again. No justice, no peace. What's going on, dude? Not much, it's the same person. You remember me from a while back, right?
Yeah, you really can't come up with floor, right?
Yeah. I was just messing with you. I was like, let me see if I pull the bike back, he'll whip around thinking I'm an unregistered bike.
Yeah, I know it does.
Yeah.
That's alright, though.
Shit happens, right? It's all fun and games.
How you been?
Cat and mouse. Good. How about you guys? You guys been good?
Can't complain, man. Summer's almost over, so.
I'm finally off probation, man. I'm good.
When'd you get off?
When the whole corona thing started, you know, they started letting people off a couple months earlier. It's not bad.
I mean, good for you, man.
Yeah.
Everything's like squared away.
Yeah, it was all on the bike anyways, you know. I don't do drugs, I don't drink, I just around a lot on the bike.
Well, that's not to get you in trouble, too.
Yeah.
See you later.
Alright, man, take it easy.
Even though he had the right of way and the roundabout, the biker was in charge of the situation, owing to which he didn't hit the careless driver.
Come on, help me pick it up. And I want to make it, you know. Can you just put the stand down so I can get this going again? Jesus Christ. So glad there's no damage, man. Let's try and have a wait.
What the hell is that going on? Aw, poor thing. Come on, guys, what are you fighting about? Come on, run along before you get hit by a car.
Hey guy, come on. Dude, stay on your own side. Really, you're gonna even stop at all? Hey guy. Hey, you know you blew the stop sign, right? You know you totally blew that stop sign, right? Coming onto Rockdale, you just went, you didn't even stop, dude. Okay? Stop at stop signs, please.
Don't give it up.
Do it.
thanks for watching till the end. I hope you've enjoyed it. See you soon in the next video. Ride safe.